This is one of the dishes on repeat in my home. My kids, they love it so much. It makes the perfect snack. It's loaded with benefits and it's absolutely delicious. Start by preheating your oven at 190 degrees centigrade around 5 to 10 minutes before you start cooking. Peel the butternut squash, remove the seeds, and cut into strips like so. Once it is done, transfer into a bowl, add some olive oil, a bit of salt, curry powder, ginger powder, paprika, and mix together. You can use any spice mix of your choice. Transfer onto a baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees centigrade for around 35 to 45 minutes. Once it is done, remove from the heat, allow to cool, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe, and until next time, remain blessed.